Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Surferers. So today I will share with you an interesting website where you can get AI thumbnail generator. So it is absolutely free of cost. You don't need any payment for this. So follow the step-by-step tutorial to get this. So firstly go to your browser, then in the search bar paste this link. So I will provide this link in the video description. From there you will get this link. Press enter and then you will come into this website. So here you can see this Ultra Thumbnail Pro, so professional a thumbnail creator. So if I want to generate some thumbnail for my YouTube channel, you can see this is the size of the YouTube thumbnail. So here I have to describe which kind of thumbnail I need. So if I write a Sky5 technology lab, so then you will click on this generate. So it will take a little bit time to generate thumbnail. So as you can see, this have generated the thumbnail which is Sky5 technology lab. So if I want to modify this thumbnail, here I can modify this text technology, and if I technology thumbnail, so if I want to change the page, so I can write get free now, and then from there you can change the full thumbnail so by editing this thumbnail. So and then you can download this thumbnail from there, download. So you can see this have successfully downloaded. Now it is ready to use the thumbnail for my YouTube channel. Follow the full tutorial and please subscribe our channel if you need next video. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel and see you in the next video.